Do you have a washing machine that stops when it tries to spin? Or is your washing machine not washing clothes and water sitting inside the drum? Then do this test. Start a spin cycle without any clothes and check the noise. Also check if the drum is rotating concentrically or not. In other words, is it maintaining the same path when the drum spins? Then, stop the drum and move the drum pedals backwards and forwards. If you can hear a rattling sound or if you feel a gap between the drum and the spider arms at the back, that means the drum is detached from the spider arms. We can hear a rattling sound coming from this drum pedal. It's time to start saving money and looking for a new washing machine. Thank you for watching Easy Fix.